Finally here. Man, this thing looks way different from the last time when I came. Way fucking different. Oh shit. The robot, right?
Yeah, the robot. The game.
Son los flip kits.
These are fucking badass.
¿Vas a hacer like for the top and bottom? Or
This is for the rear.
For the rear?
Yeah. The fourth gen, the 1918, yeah, los de atrás. Yeah.
But you know how they have two?
Yeah,
okay.
Upper and lower. These are your, those are your uppers because they're shorter, and these are your lowers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You got anodized in black, and then we go back in there and then remachine them.
They look really good.
That's what we're working on.
Manching on.
So we can add on. See, and then pues we got this one in we got that one in, and we get for the techs here installing it. So.
¿Y esa qué es?
That's
the laser
brake?
or a press brake?
No, laser's this one.
Oh, okay.
Just finished up on the AC, todo el pedo.
So this is gonna be the AC room?
Well, I mean, this whole, I don't know if you feel that. It's a little, well, they turned it off already.
It's cooler. Yeah, it's cooler.
Yeah, for last week we threw all the foam, todo el pedo.
No, yeah, I seen it. Que habían venido echando toda la insulation and everything.
All the insulation, and then the guy should be here next week para tapar todo. We're gonna tapar, so after they're done with this, tapar todo, and then repaint the floor, or paint the floor, and just make it real nice and clean in here. That one.
The little laser things?
Yeah, watch it.
Oh. Oh, okay.
But it's just, it's fucking.
Oh, puros clean cuts.
Yeah. No micro joint. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't get better than that. That's fucking beautiful.
I've seen whenever they put like a little vibrating thing on them, and like all the little pieces fall off of them.
Yeah, so that's usually when you go with the lot thinner gauge, mainly like stainless steel and aluminum.
Yeah.
It's a little hammer para quitar todo. See, you know, because it's well, these are called little micro joints. That's why they stay on there. Yeah, so just fall in there. I don't know, say 1,000.
Yeah.
¿Entiendes? Pues you can program it, and you know, it'll cut 405 and it'll drop it in, but then you got to open the door and reset it. With that bar feeder, is just feeding it until you completely run out of material. And then you just get your guy and come dump them out. Yeah. So it makes everything so much easier. Yeah, it's just more efficient. Trying to beat the clock. That's really what it is. So. Yeah. So that.
And these are for your ball joints too, right? That's this?
These are the adjustable uppers. There's a shitload more. I know they took them. And this one they gotta say that. This is a badass. This is a fucking bad bitch. Yeah. It's a dual spindle. I don't know if you know about machinery or not. So it's a dual. So it has a spindle here and a spindle there, and then it has also y-axis travel, and it also drills. So like those bars you see, I can make that whole operation. I can make it in this machine.
And this one.
Yeah. Una pasada. Versus what we did was we build them, drilled them, tapped them, and then took them off, set them up on the mill, and then the mill goes in here and does all this. Yeah. Now I can literally do everything in one operation. Yeah. But it's still, I mean, it's a process. It's a good program. Yeah. So you gotta have the brains to be able to do it, and know your tooling and all that. So this is the one. Yeah, I'm so excited to get set up.
there you have it, guys. IHC Inez Chocolate Factory. So right now we're gonna go get some food, cause fuck man, I haven't ate anything all day, like at all. We went to this really nice taqueria thing. It's called Taqueria Mary's or something like that. Inez took us last time when me and Louis came, but Louis couldn't come, he had to go to work. So gonna fuck up that food and go back to Houston. So as you can see, guys, this is the motherfucking spot. Taqueria Mary. I got a torta, order of tacos, and I already fucked them up. I am ready to go home. So, I'll see you guys next time. Chunk dudes.